In about 1 minute, I'm gonna show you guys how to monetize as a content creator. These are most of the things that I do as a content creator myself to make millions of dollars per year. First, gonna be brand deals, doing integrations and dedicated videos for brands. This can make you a lot of money. Ads, making money from YouTube AdSense, as well as the TikTok Creator Fund, IG Reels Fund, stuff like that. Next is affiliates. Most people don't do this as content creators, but this is where you can make a ton of money, basically promoting other people's products or services, and you make a commission when someone uses your link. This is how I make a majority of my income. UGC, doing videos, organic videos for other companies. They can use your videos to run ads. Physical products, selling things like notebooks, selling things like merch, stuff like that could be a great way to monetize for a lot of creators. And then digital products, this is by far, this and this are the best ways to make money for creators. Selling digital products, PDFs, downloads, coaching, courses, stuff like that. Fantastic way to make money. If you're not doing all this right now, you are losing out on a lot of revenue within your content business. So hopefully this helps you guys out. If you want to learn more about how to make money as a creator, I'll have a few links down below.